Do this once a week and your face will look 10 years younger. For many years we have talked about an elixir that gives eternal youth. We have often seen it in movies, and even many have been given the task of looking for it. Today there are plastic surgeries, Botox and other things of the sciences to try to see us old, although this with the passage of time is reversed. Although they do not believe there are recipes from the youth, which helps prevent premature aging, which will make a very old age look very young. In this entry we are going to reveal what are the ingredients of this elixir, its method of preparation and how you should take it. If you think you need to spend a fortune and plenty of time to refresh and revitalize your face, you are wrong. What you probably did not know is that to look younger you can make an effective mask for stretching the skin by using some products that can be found in your home. Ingredients: 1/2 banana, 3 tablespoons oatmeal combined with yogurt. Oatmeal equals oatmeal to the blender powder. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 egg. Preparation: peel the banana well and combine with the egg, the oatmeal and honey. Mix well and apply the mask on your face for 10-15 minutes. Make sure you have thoroughly cleaned your face before applying. The banana will provide your skin with many beneficial nutrients. The nutrients included in bananas have been proven to be useful in fighting wrinkles on the face. Honey hydrates the skin. The lactic acid included in the yogurt, along with the oatmeal, will provide a good exfoliation of the skin. This mask is effective for all skin types and can be used all over the world and every day. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.